Hey guys, so what's going on? This is Easy Breezy and I definitely did my eyebrows kind of light today. Wow. Okay, yeah, anyways. So today we have a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Nadula Hair. Oh, they sent me 3 bundles of straight hair, 20, 22, 24, and a 20-inch frontal. Yes, I'm here. And of course, my girl Ashley made it into a wig. All of her wigs are machine wefted, and I will definitely tag her below.
Hey guys! Alright, so the style I want to do today is kind of like a 90s cute style with some rubber bands at the top and some crimps. So I'm going to start with some tropical root setting foam, pump it on the top and comb it through. So I'm going to start with my middle part and do 2 squares on each side. And I don't want to get my baby hairs stuck in the rubber band, so I'm just going to go ahead and separate those now. So just a reminder, I want the rubber bands to look tight, but I don't want it to make the frontal scrunch up, so make sure it's pulled out. Now I'm going to cut the baby hair about 1 inch all the way around. Then I'm going to apply my tropical root setting foam, comb it through, and get ready to style them. So I normally use my comb to do this, but I got a new little edge brush tool, which I'm kind of excited to use. So I wanted to try it today, and I actually like it a lot better. I don't know, I might have to invest in some toothbrushes. Now we can go ahead and dry the hair so we can get ready for these crimps. I'm loving it already. So with the crimps, I'm probably doing 3 to 4 rolls at one time, and then I'm spraying the hair with Pump It Up spritz before I start. Oh my gosh, this just might be my favorite hairstyle yet.
Alright guys, so I'm finished with the wig and it's kind of cute. Okay, don't know if y'all ready. Alright. Ew. I love taking these things off the mannequin and just see how they're still in place. Like, that's the beauty of styling, molding and styling your wig on the mannequin before you even put it on your head. Y'all can probably imagine how cute this is about to be, right?
Alright, so now I'm going to take 2 pins and lay my dreads down so they can sit as flat as possible. Then put on my infamous stocking cap. Hey, it's wiggy time, wiggy time. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Like, I knew it was gonna be cute, but I did not know it was gonna be this cute. Let's go ahead and glue this down. So I just know myself, and I know I'm not gonna keep this wig on for a long time. I just wanted to look cute for the meantime, you know, some pictures, maybe a video, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna do a line of glue in the front to make it secure. And I'm gonna put 2 dots on each side so my sideburns can stay down. Alright, cool. So now that that coat turned clear, now we can go ahead and stick our lace on. I think I feel a little lace right there. Go ahead and cut that off. Love it.
Guys, this is the finished product, and wow, like, this is definitely exactly how I imagined it in my mind. Really 90s, old school, cute, like, wow. This frontal, yes. These crimps, yes, yes. And I love it. Like, it is so easy. Like, I really don't think I will ever style a wig or mold a wig on my head ever again. On the mannequin is like so easy. I don't know how I can go back. Like, that's not happening. So the reason why I did a line of glue and not a full hairline is because I switch my hair up a lot, and like every 2 days, no, every day a lot. So, you know, it's kind of pointless for me just to put 2 layers of glue on my forehead, because I'm gonna have to take it off anyway. And I mean, I could rip my wigs off and just stick another one back on, but my OCD won't let me do that. So I definitely have to take the time out and clean the glue off and restart fresh. So I don't really OD with the glue. But normally you would do, obviously, you know, the full hairline and 2 coats. So, yes. So, once again, thank you so much, Nadula Hair, for sending me this package. I must say the hair is super soft. As you can see, it holds curls are really good. A lot of times when you crimp hair and you kind of run your fingers through it, it'll get big and poofy. But this is actually staying very silky and soft, and that is a definite plus. And of course, no shedding, no tangling, and no weird smell. So this is definitely Breezy approved.
Well, you guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do so and turn on your notifications so you can be a part of the notification gang.
so many opportunities have just been coming my way. It's like, why didn't I do this a long time ago? Because I thought I was losing something by showing girls how to do a frontal. Who am I?
I am currently at Breezy's Galaxy Girl seminar we have going on. The Beauty Masterminds is great. It's better than I thought it would be. I get to network with people, but we're also getting questions answered. So it's definitely a class you don't want to miss. So you get way much more than you think you'll get.
We're at the Beauty Masterminds networking event. It's a networking event about people that have businesses. It's tips of the trade you're not going to find it anywhere else but here. We have Erica here, and tell us a little bit about your business.
I have a cleaning business here in Atlanta. This event actually helps me a lot. I went to the last event, and she helped me on trying to be consistent, trying to be more like showing before and after.
I'm having so much fun today at the Beauty Mastermind with Breezy. Okay, we've been talking just a lot about how to be a business owner even if you're not in the hair industry. I'm a lash tech myself, and I gained a lot of knowledge just about how to push through, to keep going, stay motivated.
I'm here at the Easy Breezy Women Empowerment, and it is amazing, and I'll definitely be back for the next event.
I'm here to network with people. I'm from Pittsburgh, and I plan on moving to Atlanta. I just want to network with different people down here and get more and more advice to help everyone become successful.
Okay, we're the red crew. All right. Your head, your tail. Let's get it. Tail! Every cosmetology test is made out of two parts of what else to say.
Theory and practice.
What color cancels out green?
What color cancels out? We can't like yellow.
What color does the product Shimmer Lights cancel?
Brassy. The orange brassy.
All right, you ready? You ready? What color does the product Shimmer Lights cancel?
Say blonde.
What is the product Color Oops used for?
To correct the mistake.
What day do stylists normally take off?
Sunday.
What two payroll systems can a salon be based upon?
POS.
What does that mean?
Commission, or you can pay booth rent.
What is a man's hairpiece formerly called?
Today.
What inch hair did Nicki Minaj bring back into style?
40, 50.
Oh, which one?
40.
The winner of the Beauty Mastermind. Come on.
It's the winner.
It's the Thank you all for coming.
Y'all are a great group, by the way.
Yeah, this was so fun. This is Easy Breezy, and we just wrapped up the very first Beauty Mastermind event. If you didn't make it to this one, make sure you catch us next time. See y'all later.